This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush Level 59. This level presents a sweet challenge, as your primary objective is to clear every single piece of jelly from the board. Many of these jellies are double-layered, demanding extra effort to remove. It's known as a super hard level, so get ready to strategize your moves carefully for success. As you begin, you'll notice obstacles like meringue blocks and chocolate that can quickly spread. Your initial focus should be on clearing these blockers, especially the chocolate, to open up the board. Try to make matches at the bottom of the screen. This often creates a cascade effect, leading to more matches and special candy opportunities. To truly excel, mastering special candies is crucial. Match 4 candies to make a striped candy, or 5 in an L or T shape for a wrapped candy. A color bomb, formed by matching 5 candies in a line, is incredibly powerful. The real magic happens when you combine these. For instance, a striped and wrapped candy combo clears a large area, and a color bomb with a striped candy clears many rows. For those tricky spots, fish candies can be very helpful, swimming to clear isolated jelly. If you're finding it particularly challenging, a color bomb booster can provide a significant advantage right from the start. Remember to always think a few moves ahead, aiming to create powerful combinations that will clear the maximum amount of jelly and lead you to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.